Hello, listener. This is teacher Kim Hoberni, and today we'll be talking about 그리고. 그리고 doesn't really sound Korean, right? 그리고 sounds something like Italian or I'm not sure, some European Western language. But 그리고 means and. Okay, Korean has a lot of ands, and this is one of alternates of and that you will find. Okay, but a lot of 그리고's is used in the beginning of a sentence, and we can look at the examples right away. Teacher Kim, subscribe and like. So and is typically used to introduce a sentence. Example, 청소를 했어요. 그리고 빨래를 했어요. I cleaned and did laundry. Okay, sounds like me every day. And next one is 어머니는 부엌에서 일을 해요. Mom is working in a kitchen. 그리고 아기는 자요. And the baby is sleeping. And next one is 커피, 빵, 그리고 물 주세요. Give me coffee, bread, and water. So these are straightforward. Okay, so you use a lot of 그리고's between the sentences to connect them if A and B is connected to each other. But 그리고 doesn't always need to be at the start of a new sentence. It can also be in between as well. Okay? Just be aware of that, and you'll be fine. And this is teacher Kim, and see you next time. Bye bye.